I am the producer and editor of an animal Tapster. Every week we will have a different stuffed animal and we'll kick it like we would with a football, as in what's known as taps, like what you do in PE. Every week we'll do it, and I hope you enjoy them on YouTube. It is my turn to test an animal Tapster out and see if it's any good. I ain't very good at football, but I'll see if I'm good at kicking a parrot up and down. Ready? Right then. Round 2. Round 3. And now the final round. Well, this went good, but well, not very good compared to what some of my contestants are going to be like, because they're very good at football. I hope you keep on watching our videos. Thanks for listening. Hi, it's the contestants go to try out Animal Tapster. Well, when you're ready, you can go. Round 2. That was funny, that. Round
4.
No, 3, yeah, 4. Round 5. Round 5 again. That's now the final round.